Hey, do you have a table saw that extends open like this? Do you have a small shop like this one? And last question, do you have a rotor table? If you answered yes, yes, no, then this video is probably for you. I'm going to convert this table saw to double as a rotor table. Every table saw is going to be different, but for this Bosch 4100 XC, if I put a piece of 3/4 inch plywood in there, and then lay this one across like this, it works out that it's completely flush with the top. But like I said, every table saw would be different, so your measurements might change. So the first thing that you're going to need is a piece of plywood to go into this hole. You'll also need about 2 pieces of plywood, about 2 inches wide, and cut to length for the opening of your extension hole. And these will provide rails to sit in there so that when your piece of plywood goes on that's going to be flush with the top of your table saw, it has something to rest on. Okay, me lucky, it's like a bit nice. Sorry. This is gonna work. This is totally gonna work. Okay, so here's what I got going on so far. I got a piece that fits perfectly inside of this opening, and I also have my 2 pieces that fit nice and snug into the inside of these rails. So I think next what I'm going to do is I'm going to fasten one of these pieces, probably this one, to this piece, so I can slide it in there like that and then drop it down on this. I can't fasten both of them because I'll never get them inside. This just slides out like that. I may put some dowels in here. Okay, so I'm going to put these dowels in. So I have my dowel. That's not the right size, is it? Okay, so put these dowels in. I have my drill. I have my, well, I don't even know what these are called, but you put them in the hole and then it punches a mark in the opposite piece that you want to put your dowels in. Punches, I guess. I don't know. We have those and our 2/4 inch dowels. So let's take this out. This piece is fully secured and ready to go. It's time to hook up our rotor and see if this thing actually works. So I'm going to start by taking this out, flipping it over. So all that I'm doing is I just centered this rotor to the piece. Every rotor is going to be different, but there's a little hole there that I pre-drilled, and then I didn't like doing it, but I had to. And I drilled another hole on the opposite side, through the metal, through the plastic, everything, just to get it in there. Every single night it hurts. Oh, why you act like it's a holiday when we are pretty far from okay? And quit lighting them fireworks. Every single night it hurts. So to find center of all this, I'm simply going to put a rotor bit in here and push it through. work pretty good.
I'm changing my mind. Danger Boy is the new dude running the rhyme. Danger Boy is the new dude running the rhyme. Danger Boy's about you.
Alright, well, as you can see, that works fantastic, and I'm very happy with how this turned out. Another small bonus about all of this, which I thought was quite fancy, is that when you take this out and you're about to put it away for storage, this free-floating piece here can just be stuck onto the dowels, so you're not going to lose it. It's all one solid piece again. Also, if you're interested in this Bosch 4100 XC table saw, then look down in the description where I'll add a link to our review of this table saw. It's only about 5 minutes, but it gives you a lot of information about what this table saw is all about. So I really hope that you like this video. I know that I'm really excited about this whole rotor table in my table saw kind of thing. It's probably the best thing that I've ever done with my table saw. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that crazy stuff, because we're going to have a lot more videos coming your way. We just started YouTube about 3 months ago, but we're loving it, and we're not going to stop now, and our videos are just going to keep getting better and better and better. So, see you on the next one.
You gon' see what I mean. You gon' read what I mean. Come to a show, you gon' see me.